Let's load concrete materials into the concrete mixer. Amazing! We need to fix a crack on the concrete mixer. We did it! And now let's grind the seam. Amazing! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Let's load bricks for the first floor onto the open wagon. Don't stop. We need to wash the open wagon. Hooray! Cover the second floor. Let's weld a crack on the crane with cargo bed. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. Drag the sander to the seam to level it. Drag the sander to the seam to level it. Done! Choose the same color as in the cloud. Don't stop! Car. Ready. Let's load bricks for the second floor into the flat car. Done! Let's wash the flat car. Hooray! You're doing really great. Let's load the glass transporting car. We did it! Let's install windows and doors. Let's weld a crack on the glass. Amazing! Let's grind the welding seam. You're doing really great. Look at the cloud and choose the spring. We did it! The crane. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the crane. Press the pump. That's all. Let's make a canopy and a roof. Let's wash the crane. Don't stop. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the bucket lift. Press the pump. Amazing! We need to fix a crack on the bucket lift. Ready. And now let's grind the seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the spring. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the locomotive. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Push the pump to fill the locomotive with water. That's all. Let's prepare the locomotive for a long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Keep it up.